Keep me strong, Lord, lift me high. Through the darkness, be my guide. With every step I'll trust your hand. On your promise I will stand. The road is long, but I won't fear. Your voice reminds me you are near. Through every tear, through every night, you lead my soul into